Hey guys, it's your boy Nikeli here and I'm back with another video. Now, as most of my viewers can see, I'm here filming on this background. If you don't know why my background is like this, please don't fail to go and check out my previous video and then get back to this one. Remember that on that one, to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you know when I post a new video. When you're finished with that one, get back right here. Remember guys, to like, comment, and subscribe and share this video to your friends. Now, let's get into the video. Shake your body. For today's video, we're gonna be doing a Q and A Mukbang. So, what I will be doing is that I'll be answering questions that you guys sent in on my previous polls via Instagram and WhatsApp. And I will be doing a mukbang while I'm answering your question. So guys, we're back and as you can see, we have our whole entree lined up. Now what we have here, we have some stir-fried noodles with some stir-fried pak choy, onions, green beans and carrots. Right here we have some pulled jerk chicken, and right here we have my famous, I don't want to say it too hard, famous sauce. And to wash everything down, nice cool glass of homemade fruit punch. Alright. So let's get straight into the questions, guys. So the first question that was asked, it says, what are your favorite primary or high school moments? My favorite primary moment was when I went up. Favorite high school moment, me can flick that right off of my head. Sports day when we used to have some after jam. Grand market night. The favorite one, remember when one time we did a market cause stand up because Sunday hot pan taxi stand, and one lady did it and she said if we come sit down on her wall, she go wet up with water and she go tar the wall. And Sai and Dorian use them fear and go buy water. Cause then decides if the woman wet them up, them are wet up back the woman. Favorite moments overall. Favorite moments overall. Anytime me I hang out with good friends, good company, when we go eat, when me I travel, moments like those. I always living in the moment still. So what I say, every moment when I have is a good moment. Next question. What do you see yourself doing in the next 5 years? Next 5 years, I should be finished with college. I should be finished with college in the next 5 years. Should be in a stable job. Is this good? Should be in a stable job. And you know, starting to be more financially independent as a person. That would be what I would say. And also starting a business, because while I'm working, I want to also start my own business on the side. Yeah. Next question. Excuse me. What do you hate the most? Practically, I can't say that I hate anything because anything in life just happens for a reason. There's always going to be a good side and a bad side to things as people think of it. But it's just you and your sound mind that has to put it at a different level, because there's always going to be things out there that you don't like or people don't like about you, and you can try to change it, but it will never change. You just got to be brave and confident in yourself, and know that whatever you're putting forward is the true you and the best you and the most natural you. Don't ever try to pretend for people, because it doesn't work out. So for me, that's the thing that I hate most. Yeah, pretending. I want to be remembered as a person who not only went through life in every step that it took to achieve the goal, but to leave a mark on someone or something. So I want to be remembered as a person who always strives for the best, but always gives off the best and doesn't take no for an answer. What is or are your long-term goals? Our long-term goals, I want to be a forensic anthropologist in the future. Yes, I want to be a forensic anthropologist in the future. Want to do study with the dead bodies and all that stuff. Nice, isn't it? Yeah. I want to drive my Benz. Anybody that knows me knows that I love my Benz. Benz is my dream car. YouTubers that you look up to, Gio and Ken, DR and Ken, yeah, practically that. Can I get some of your food, please? If I even leftovers. Sure, it tastes good, and most people know that I can't cook. I think I answered this question up a while ago. What do you want to be what do you want to be in the future? If you already know, I want to be a forensic anthropologist. Right now I'm going to be an occupational health and safety officer, and then I'm going to pursue that as my long-term goal. So that's my final career. Who is your favorite male and female artist, respectively? Favorite male artist: Pop Smoke, Rip Pop Smoke. Oh, oh, Da Baby, yeah, Da Baby. And who is your female? Come on, guys. Come on, guys. We know who my favorite female artist is. The one, the only, Onika Tanya Maraj. Nicki Minaj. Swear to God. Best lyricist, rapper, everything. That's my girl. Next question. This food is good. Are you a spendthrift or are you a miser? I am neither. In some of this gravy. Let's see how this tastes, guys. Oh damn. That's good. I made that? Boy, you made that? Of course I made that. Oh damn, boy. That's good.
Let me come out, come see this. Nah, like, I fear it's just going to sit me never there, so me tell them that just choke me.
Next question. How do you pronounce your first name? What do you prefer to be called? So my first name is pronounced Nikali. It's not Nikolai. It's not Nkali. It's not Nkali. It's not Nkali. It's Nikali. Preferably, I wouldn't say it's a preference, but most people call me Oti because that's the name that they actually can pronounce. There are a few persons out there who can actually call me by my first name. Next question, guys. How are you holding up amidst this pandemic, and what are you doing to keep safe? I am losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. Literally. Otherwise than that, guys, just washing my hands, keeping safe, make sure to be socially distant from persons. I'm not rude with it though, because I'm a very sociable person. As a lot of persons know, I'm very sociable. If you see me, I'm not gonna fail to respond to you. So I'm very sociable. So it's kind of hard for me right now because I love to talk to people. But guys, in this time though, make sure that you sanitize your hands. Make sure that you wash your hands. Next question. What is your zodiac sign? I am Aquarius. What is your main focus during COVID-19? My main focus is
The joy of staying indoors. I know of a place where you never get harmed. A magical place with magical charms. Indoors, indoors, indoors.
indoors, guys. So that's where it is. So you're just gonna sit there and watch me eat. Not even leave a like, a comment, or a share. Is it that bad, guys? This looks like our final question, guys. And it says, who are some of the persons you look up to in life? Okay, since that's how we're gonna do it, to end this off, I look up to my mom. She's a strong, independent, very outgoing, very adventurous, very funny and hilarious woman. And I love that she took care of me and is still taking care of me, although I'm still at this age. My sister, because my sister is an idiot. She's independent and she knows what she wants. I look up to a lot of people in life. I look up to Andrew Honest because who would want to run one country someday? People to me who are successful overall, with a male or female, those are the people that I look up to because they set a standard for themselves and they ensure that they met the standard. So let me grace you guys with this ugly face. You dig, you dig, you dig. I want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching my video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and to turn on your post notifications, and to share this video. Remember to also leave a comment down below. I was really tired filming this, guys, because my week was really hectic. So just bear with me. But otherwise than that, guys, I'll see you in the next video.
Let me make sure I still got my gun in here. My gun. My gun. Shoot, I could have sworn I had my knife.